So it grades our
So this is quality control over here.
quality control and final processing. We also protect each board with ESD protection and physically protected in bubble wrap.
Now, how do they check the board for quality? You were just starting to say before I interrupted you.
All that's in our system. We can compare what our dealer said was wrong with the board. Did we duplicate the symptom? What repairs we did, what parts we put in, how long we burned it in. And then when it comes over here, we have access to all that. And our experts over here, they're able to, they check for procedural, workmanship, and functional failures. Functional would be the worst. That would be an item that we felt would leave here not functioning, and usually they're going to a down machine. Dealers and OEMs don't stock a lot of inventory anymore. So we'll go back and live test it again. When it comes off the floor, they should work because they're all fully live tested. So 100% they should work, and this is just a second.
Every board gets live tested?
Every single board gets live tested on the floor. This is a visual check through our quality control. If they suspect something's wrong, then it will go back and be.
So they're looking for burns or things that aren't seated right, or
soldering we didn't do properly. If we missed a procedural thing we should be doing. Like I said, the worst thing would be if they suspect a functional problem, whether it be a fuse we didn't see that maybe they didn't catch in testing, but it would affect the function of that circuit board.